Hi guys, I'm Kaydee from LJIC in Des Moines, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a nail art. You guys can go check out all my nail art that I do on Facebook at Care by Kaydee. Alrighty, so first we're going to start with the base coat, and I'm using the Vinyl X White. Normally we do all the nails, but today we're just going to show you how to do this nail art. So normally you can do any color you want. Today we're using pink and yellow, but feel free to make it your own. And all you want to do is put a little dollop on anything, a piece of paper, anything you have around you. And then you're going to take any type of dotting tool. You can use an actual dotting tool, you can use the end of a mascara wand, you can use a needle pushed into the top of an eraser, whatever you have around you. It's very DIY. You're going to do 5 little dots in a circle. And you can do as many flowers as you want. It's up to you. You can even do some half flowers. And just let that dry real quick, because then we're going to do a really cool trick. So then all you're going to do is you're going to take your dotting tool, place it at the beginning of the flower, in the middle, and just push back. And don't worry if you mess up the white, because we're going to be covering that with the yellow. Alrighty, so next you're just going to take your dollop of yellow and place it on whatever surface you have. And then you're just going to place it right in the center. You're going to top it with a top coat. And make sure that you leave a little ball on the underside and place that ball on top so that way you don't smear your nail art. And that's our finished look.